Hey guys, so today we're going to make some smoothie bowl or fruit bowl. Wait, I forgot to do the intro. Hey guys, so back again with... Okay, so today we're going to make some smoothie bowl or fruit bowl or nalo bowl, whatever you want to call it. Let's just get started. Okay, so the ingredients that you will need for this are bananas. Of course, I've frozen them overnight. What I meant was to put them in the fridge overnight. I didn't do any magic, okay? And then I'm going to use some dragon fruit. Yep. And then I'm going to use honey, some Yakult, if you don't know what it is. This is Yakult. You're welcome. Strawberries too, and then you're gonna need some granolas. And I just baked mine earlier. And they turned out pretty fine, but I was in the toilet. I forgot that I tried to speed up the process by turning the oven a little bit hotter, and it was a little bit burned, but I managed to get rid of some of the burned ones. And I actually made a second batch because the first one kind of failed to stick like that. It's still good, so. So here's my granola. I'm gonna put that aside. I'm now taking my food processor and I'm going to add in my fruits. So I'm frozen them overnight, probably more nights, because I wanted to make it like yesterday, but I was still doing my test. Hence why I haven't done any videos. So here are the frozen fruits. Okay, these are frozen, and the dragon fruit are also frozen, but it's gonna be hot. Alright, that should be soy milk, aka Yakult, because I ran out of them. This is so freaking sad, and I always do this, man. There's always at least one ingredient that is missing. Hence, also why you haven't seen the video of this series in such a long time. Because I keep missing one or something ingredient, and then ending up making the video the next day or a week later, and then I wasn't in the same spirit. So, sorry. This is actually a really different twist because people usually use just soy milk, almond milk, any kind of milk, but Yakult is a really good anti-probiotic. This is my first time also trying to use food processor instead of blender. I hope that, oh, I forgot to put the blade in.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Alright, let's hope this works. It's clumpy now, so I'm going to try and mix. Damn, it's just like ice cream. Love it. You guys need to see this consistency. Gosh, this thing literally looks like an ice cream. I am so in love. Hold on, let me try it. Hell yeah. I'm gonna add some more honey to make it even more sweet. Oh my god, I love this. Gosh, I love this so freaking much. Okay, I'm gonna add some honey. That should be good. I love this consistency, man. Okay, I'm going to try to put this in the freezer for a little bit while I'm going to chop the fruits so this thing doesn't melt. Sorry. So now I'm taking a cutting board, bananas, and strawberries, and these are actually frozen. This is such a huge banana thing. Okay, so I'm now going to cut it, just normally cutting it like this. Oh no. I'm sorry, I always do this if I cook. Oh, fun fact. the real fruit part of the strawberry is actually the dried seeds. Surprised? So, next thing you'll need is some cute ass bowl. I love this consistency. I was actually about to make this for my counselor. Turns out we're not gonna see each other today, and guess you're not gonna have this today. So this is my backup plan. Let me just move it out. And I'm going to add the bananas. I'm not a fruit designer, so now I'm confused how I should design it. So now I'm adding granola bits to milk. That happened, so I'm gonna use a big ass spoon to dig into this thing. This little babe. This thing is really good as a sorbet. I love it. This thing tastes so good. I want to cry. I can't believe I made this. When you bite into the frozen strawberries, it tastes even better than normal strawberries. Like there's a little strawberry lolly ice inside. It's good. I'm full. I'm not gonna eat any more dinner. This is too good to be true. And it's true. Just tell me if you're going to recreate this and tell me how it actually turns out, because I love it so much. Okay, so see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe, guys. I need if you want me to get monetized, please, because I'm not monetized and I need money. So please subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.